Hello everyone, how are you? I am fine and I hope all of you will be good. So students, it is our maths class and today's our topic would be the expanded form of the numbers. So let us start the topic. So students, our today's topic is expanded form. So what is expanded form? Expanded form of a number is the sum of the place values of its digit. It means when we elaborate the place value of the number, it is said to be in the expanded form. जब भी हम नंबर की डिजिट्स को उनके प्लेस वैल्यूज के साथ अलग अलग लिखते हैं तो वो नंबर एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में कहलाता है. नाउ let us understand the concept of expanded form with the help of an example. Suppose that we have a number, okay, and we have to find the expanded form of this number. So first of all, what we have to do? First of all, we have to find the place value of these digits in the number. Okay. Now let us start. In order to find the place value of the digits, we put this number in the place value chart. Okay. So we started from backward. It means 5 on the ones place, 4 is on the tens place, 6 is on the hundred place, 3 is on the thousand place, and 4 is on the 10,000 place. Now let us find the place value of the digits. Here the digit is 5 and it occupies the ones place. So the place value of 5 is 5. Now second digit is 4 and it occupies the tens place. So we should multiply 4 by the 10. So what is the place value of 4? Is 40. Okay. Now third digit is 6 and it occupies the hundred place. So we should multiply 6 by the 100. 6 into 100 is 600. Next one is 3 and 3 occupies the place 1000. So we should multiply 3 by the 1000. The place value of 3 is 3000. And the last is 4 and it occupies the 10,000 place in the place value chart. So we should multiply 4 by the 10,000. So the place value of 4 is 40,000. So students, now let us write the expanded form of this number. As we earlier discussed, the expanded form of a number is the sum of the place value of its digits. जैसा कि हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया है कि किसी भी नंबर का एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म उसकी डिजिट्स की प्लेस वैल्यूज का सम होता है. नाउ हियर वी हैव द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ दीज डिजिट्स. सो आवर एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म इज, फर्स्ट वन इज 4. The place value of 4 in the place value chart is 40,000. Our second digit is 3 and the place value of 3 is 3,000. Now our third digit is 6 and the third digit is 6 and the place value of 6 is 600. Next one is 4 and the place value of 4 is 40. And next one is 5 and place value of 5 is 5. Here we have the expanded form of this number, 40,000 plus 3,000 plus 600 plus 40 plus 5. Let us do some more questions from the exercise to understand the concept of expanded form. Here we have a question, write the expanded form of 75,56,063. So in order to write the expanded form of any number, first of all we have to find the place value of all the digits in the number. Okay, जैसा कि हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया है कि किसी भी नंबर का एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म राइट करने के लिए, लिखने के लिए हमें सबसे पहले उनकी डिजिट्स का प्लेस वैल्यू फाइंड करना होता है. ओके, नाउ लेट अस फाइंड द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ द डिजिट्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, let us find the place value of the digits in the number 75,56,063. So we put the number in their place value chart. Okay, so first one is 3, 6, 0, 6, 5, 5 and 7. Now let us find the place value. First digit is 3 and it occupies ones place, so 3 into 1 is 3. Second, 6 into 10, because it occupies tens place, so 6 into 10 is 60. Now third is 0, it occupies the 100 place, so 0 into 100 is 0, because when we multiply any number with 0 or when we multiply 0 with any other number, the product is always 0. Okay, so our next number is 6, so 6 into 1000, so here place value is 6000 of 6. Next one is 5, so 5 into which place it occupies 10,000, so 5 into 10,000 is 50,000. Next one is lakh, so 5 into 1 lakh is equal to 5 lakh. And the last one is 7 and it occupies the 10 lakh place, so we multiply 7 by the 10 lakh. So the place value of 7 is 70 lakh. Now here we have the place value of all the digits of this number. So let us write in the expanded form. जैसा कि हमने पहले भी पढ़ा है कि एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म लिखने के लिए किसी भी नंबर का उसकी प्लेस वैल्यूज फाइंड करते हैं, जो कि हमारे पास यहाँ है. नाउ लेट अस डू द सम ऑफ इट्स प्लेस वैल्यू. सो वी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम हियर. सो द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 7 इज 70 lakh plus next one is 5 and the place value of this 5 in the place value chart is 5 lakh. Next one is also 5 and the place value of 5 is 50,000 plus next one is 6 and the place value of 6 is 6,000. Next one is 0. So student, the place value and face value of the 0 is always 0. So we skip the 0 in the expanded form. We always skip the 0 in the expanded form. So next one is 6 and the place value of this 6 is 60. Next one is 3. So here we have the expanded form of this number. 70 lakh plus 5 lakh plus 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 60 plus 3. Here we have the expanded form of this number. Okay. So students, I hope all of you understand the concept of expanded form very carefully and you all will do the assignments and question very well. Okay. Thank you.